Hi everyone and welcome to the AC Creative channel. Our business is laser engraving and I love laser engraving. However, we're expanding our product line to include apparel printing, and today's a big one. We've got some brand new kit and I want to bring you along with the honest first look. In this video I'm unboxing and setting up the Xtool apparel printer along with the shaker oven and the AP2 air purifier. This is an initial review, so we're looking at build quality, setup, ease of use and first impressions. Now I'll be doing a separate follow-up video where we'll be actually producing our first print and see how it performs in the real world. So make sure you're subscribed for it. So let's get to it. Straight away, the packaging is solid, everything is well protected, clearly labelled, and it feels like it's been thoroughly thought through. I found this to be the case with all Xtool machines I've bought over the years. Inside the box you get the printer itself, the power cables, ink system, the manuals and all the bits you'd expect to get started. The first thing that stands out is the build quality. This doesn't feel like it's a hobby machine. It's sturdy, well finished and very much aimed at people who want to produce apparel commercially or at scale. Everything feels robust, from the moving parts to the casing, which is reassuring if you're planning to use this day in, day out. So let's talk about the printer itself. The layout is clean and user friendly. The film system is straightforward, with a white line showing where the film should be, and any alignments adjustments are easy to understand, and access for maintenance looks sensible, which is something people often forget to check. The ink filling is very good and accessible. What I like here is that it feels like it's been designed for workflow, not just printing. Aligning prints and cleaning all look like they've been managed without fighting the machine. Alongside the printer we've got the shaker oven, and this is what cures the adhesive powder and finishes the transfer before it goes onto the garment. Again, build quality is solid. The controls are simple, the tray system is well designed and it doesn't feel flimsy or rushed. Space wise, it's fairly compact for what it does, which is great if you're working in a small studio or workshop. And finally, the AP2 purifier. This is a really important part of the setup, especially when you're working with powders and heat. It's reassuring to see a proper filtration system included. It's clearly designed to work along with the printer and the oven, rather than just being an afterthought. The Xtool software recognises the AP2 and connects it in the software, and it automatically controls the exhaust flow. I did run into a slight problem in that my test print showed up an image recognition error. I looked at the ink and it did look a bit low, and I wondered if it's anything to do with me putting the ink into the tanks the night before and not going through the ink priming until the next day. I contacted Xtool support through their chat function on the website, and they suggested doing 2 deep cleans and another test print. Now this solved the problem and I've never had an issue to date. The instructions are clear, connections are obvious and nothing feels overly complicated. From unboxing to powering on, it didn't take long at all, which is exactly what you want when you're adding a new equipment to a working business. So initial impressions. Honestly, very positive. Everything feels well built, well thought out and designed for people who actually want to use their machines in real settings. At this stage I can't comment on print quality just yet, and I won't pretend I can, because that deserves its own proper tests. In the next video I'll be producing my first actual print, from artwork to transfer to garment, so we can really see what this setup can do. If you've got any questions that you'd want me to answer in that video, such as print quality, speed, colours, ease of use, drop them in the comments and I'll try to cover them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.